Hello my dear students. How are you all? Good, isn't it? So, do you know which season is this? This is rainy season. How can we say this is a rainy season? Because it's raining outside, isn't it my dear students? So today in this class, we will learn about weather, season, soil and about water cycle. Okay, we will revise some interesting concepts from 3rd standard in our subject science. Before learning anything, I want to enjoy one video. You also enjoy that. So let us enjoy a beautiful video related to weather and season. And I am going to ask you some questions related to it. Okay, be ready. Let us enjoy.
Because this is winter. What are the other seasons?
I'm going to tell you what is weather. Weather is the condition of atmosphere in the environment around us. Weather changes from time to time. Sometimes it is hot and sometimes it is cold. Weather can be classified as follows: sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy. In the morning, when the sun appears, it is not very hot. But at noon, when the sun is right above our head, the temperature is the hottest. Again in the evening, when the sun sets, the temperature comes down. So, the movement of sun changes the weather conditions. The weather becomes cool when clouds gather in the atmosphere. As the clouds hide the sun above it, the weather changes. When the rain clouds are formed, we get rains. Monsoon winds bring seasonal rains. During rains, the weather is very cold. Slow winds are called breeze, and heavy winds are called storm. When the wind blows, the weather changes cool. When a particular weather condition prevails for a longer time, it is called a season. Summer is the hottest season of the year. During summer, the sun's rays hit the earth vertically and therefore it is very hot. We generally wear light cotton clothes during this season. Rainy season follows summer. Due to the heat of the sun, during the summer, the water gets evaporated. This water vapor forms rain clouds and finally the clouds drop as rain to the land. We use umbrellas and raincoats to go out during rainy season. Children love to make paper boats and float them in the water. In winter, it becomes very cold. Some places even get snowfalls. We wear thick clothing during winter.
Okay my dear students, have you enjoyed the video? Yes. What you learned in that video? We have learned so many things. Means the difference between weather and season. So quickly tell me what is weather and what is season? Weather is the atmospheric condition in short time period. Isn't it? Means we generally say what is weather today? Okay. But for season is for a long time atmospheric condition. Because rainy season is for 3 to 4 months. Isn't it? That's a long time. But weather condition for this day or yesterday's day, we can say that. So this is the main difference, weather and season. Weather is for short time and season is for long time. Do you know how many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons, isn't it? Okay, let us count one by one. First one is winter. How we feel in winter season? Cold, isn't it? Then the second one is summer. Okay? How we feel in summer season? Okay? What is the weather in summer season? It's hot, isn't it? Then atom. This is also called as fall. Why we call this as a fall? Because in this season, what happens? All the leaves, all the old leaves from a tree fall down. So we call this season as a fall. Then comes rainy. Rainy means in this season, rain comes. Okay. So these are the 4 main seasons. Isn't it, my dear students? We will move on to the next term, that is soil. You come to know about the difference between weather and season. Now, let us discuss about soil. Do you know soil is very much important? Why? Because for the development of a plant or for the growth of a tree, we require a nutritious soil. Soil is a mixture of water, air and nutrition. So, from the roots, trees or plants can suck the nutrition and water and provide their each and every part. Soil is made up from rock. There are different layers of soil. Okay, you want to learn that? See here, this is the image of, here what can we see in this image? We can see the soil layers. Here there are different layers of soil. That starts from rock. So we can say that soil formed from rock. So in the last layer we can see a beautiful smooth soil which is very much important for development of a plant. So we came to know that soil is very precious for us. So, my dear students, today we learned about soil. Now, we will learn about water cycle. Why is it called as a water cycle? Is this a cycle? No. You will come to know by this image. See here. You can see a complete cycle here. See, first what happens here? Evaporation happens. What do you mean by evaporation? Evaporation means because of the light of sun, okay, because of the sun heat, what happens? The water gets evaporated. Water vapors form and it goes upward. And the second step is condensation. Means here the formation of cloud is there. Means all the water vapors goes upside and form a cloud. Okay. Then the third step comes, that is precipitation. What is the meaning of precipitation? Means for a particular condition what happens? These clouds becomes rain and fall down. Again, which is the last step? That is collection. Again rain comes, so the collection of water happens and collection of water goes to the sea level and again evaporation gets started. So this completes a cycle. So we call this as a water cycle because water is main point here. Water gets evaporated, makes cloud, condensation happen, precipitation happen, then again collection of water takes place. So this completes a cycle. So we call this as a water cycle. Water cycle is very much necessary for us to rain. Okay. Without this water cycle, you can't get rain. Okay. So my dear students, today in this class we have learned 4 interesting concepts. Which are they? The difference between weather and season. Weather is for short time, season is for long time. Okay? There are 4 seasons, isn't it? Then the preciousness about soil. Why soil is precious? Why soil is important for us? Okay? For the development of plant, we need a good soil. Isn't it? And soil is formed from rock. And in the soil, what is that? what is inside the soil, what is present? In the soil we get air, water and nutrition, which is important for plant development. Okay, then we learned about water cycle. What is water cycle means? Means it is a complete cycle where water gets their forms, means first evaporation, then condensation, then precipitation, then collection of water. This completes a cycle, so we call that as a water cycle. We have learned today very interesting concept from science. Okay, in the next class we will learn many more important concepts, interesting concepts. You will love to learn that. Okay, but today's homework, yes, homework time is there. Okay, you have to do homework daily. So what is your homework today? Let us quickly point out. First question is write about water cycle. What you have to do? Okay, I have shown the image. In that 4 steps are very much important. Okay, you have to write about that 4 steps in your own word. Okay, let us see how you will write. So the second question, this is the first question, and second question, how many seasons are there? Okay, this is your homework. Be ready with your homework tomorrow. Okay.